So in this class, we will discuss about the non-inverting amplifier. So in this non-inverting amplifier, we will introduce this circuit, and in here we apply the KCL at node A. So in this node A, we will just introduce the KCL equation V minus 0, that is V minus 0 by Ri plus V minus V naught by Rf, that is equal to 0. So now for the virtual ground concept, for the virtual ground, if it is virtually grounded, when it is the virtually grounded, then we substitute the value of V is Vi. So Vi minus 0 by Ri plus Vi minus V naught by Rf, that is equal to 0. So what is the value of V naught over here? Please give me the result of V naught. What is the value of V naught? Hello?
Sir, Vi into 1 plus Rf by Ri.
Vi equal to?
Sir, V naught is equal to Vi into 1 plus Rf by Ri.
One plus Rf by Ri into Vi.
Vi.
Right. So in here, just observe. Just hold on. So it is 1 plus Rf by Ri into Vi. So in here, just observe the output to input voltage. Output to input voltage is same in phase, or 0 degree or 360 degree phase difference is there, because there is no sign over here. So it is 360 degree or 0 degree phase shift over here. So in that case, if we apply the input voltage like this sinusoidal, this is the T, this is the input voltage, and the output voltage is in same in phase. It is same in phase. So output to input are same in phase. But in the inverting amplifier, if we consider the inverting amplifier, just observe the output waveform. So this is the inverting amplifier. So input is Vi. If it is T, then output is, if we apply this type of sinusoidal input, so in that case we observe in the CRO, the output is 180 degree phase shift with each other. In here, 180 degree phase shift. So that is why it is considered as the inverting amplifier, where the terminal is 2. So output to input is 180 degree phase shift. Phase shift is in here, phase shift is 180 degree for the inverting amplifier. And the non-inverting amplifier, the phase shift is 0 degree or 360 degree phase shift is there. So it is considered as the non-inverting amplifier. Okay. So same phase shift. So if we consider the gain, that is A, if it is considered the gain, that is V naught by Vi, that is equal to 1 plus Rf by Ri. So in here, definitely gain, the magnitude is always 1, greater than or equal to 1. Gain is always greater than or equal to 1. When it is equal to 1, if this Ri equal to if Ri is infinite, if it is open circuit, if input is open circuit, then it is considered as if input resistance is open circuit, then V naught equal to Vi. So it is considered as the voltage follower circuit. So it is considered as the voltage follower circuit. So if this input impedance, this input impedance is open circuit, open. So in that case, V naught equal to Vi. So if it is input is an open circuit, so infinite, so Rf by infinite something is 0. So it is V naught equal to Vi. So it is considered as the voltage follower. So output voltage and input voltage is same. Okay. So next we consider about the adder circuit or summer, voltage summer. Voltage summer or adder. So in here, at first we introduce about the inverting adder. In the inverting adder, so this is the circuit diagram of inverting adder circuit, and this is the node A. So in the node A, if we consider the node A KCL at node A, so in that case, if we consider the potential of node A is equal to V, the node A voltage considered as V. So what is the KCL at node A? Can you tell me? Hello? Can you tell me what is the node A voltage?
Sir, V minus V1 by R1.
R1. Next. Plus
V minus V2 by R2.
R2 plus
V minus V3 by R3.
R3 plus
Plus V minus V naught by RF.
that is equal to 0. Na? So what is the value of V? 0, because this potential and this potential is equal due to the these two potentials are equal. Why? These two node potentials are equal. I repeat again, repeated time I just told over here. Why these two potentials are equal? Hello? These two node potential are equal. Why? Due to the virtual ground. Due to the virtually grounded. Due to the virtual ground, these two node potential equal. So what is the value of V? What is the value of V?
0.
0. So that is V1 by R1 minus V2 by R2 minus V3 by R3. That is equal to V naught by RF. So V naught equal to minus RF into V1 by R1 plus V2 by R2 plus V3 by R3. Or we can write as minus RF summation of I equal to 1 to 3 Vi by Ri. So this is the expression of voltage summer when it is the inverting summing amplifier. It is the inverting summing amplifier where it is RF by, it is considered as the RF by minus RF by. Why it is the inverting amplifier? So it is a minus is there, 180-degree phase shift to input to output. So it is considered as the inverting adder or inverting summing amplifier. Now, if we consider the non-inverting adder, is it clear to everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So next one is the non-inverting amplifier. non-inverting summing amplifier. Let's draw the circuit again. RF, this is R, this is grounded, and this is considered as this is V1, V2, V3. This is R1, R2, R3. This is Ri, and this is V0. This is plus VCC, this is minus VE. So this is the circuit diagram of the non-inverting amplifier, non-inverting summing amplifier circuit. Is the diagram is clear? The diagram
Yes,
is okay, fine. So now what is the approach? This is the node A again. In the apply the node A voltage. In the node A voltage, this is a node A and this is a node B. Okay, node A voltage as V. So node A voltage, what is the KCL of node A? Apply KCL at node A. Apply KCL at node A. What is the KCL at node A?
V minus 0 by Ri.
V minus 0.
0
V minus 0 by Ri plus
plus V minus V0 by RF.
V minus V0 by RF equal to 0.
Equal to
So V equal to, what is V0? 1 plus RF by Ri into V. Now this V is not 0. This V is this. In here we apply this V because these two, node A and node V. So VA equal to VB, that is equal to V. Why? Again, it is considered as the virtual ground. All are requested, please attend the here concept. These two potential, this node potential, node A and node B, always are same due to the virtual ground concept. Input impedance is very high. So why in that case input impedance is very high, current is not flow in this input path, it is not flown. So in that case it is flown in the feedback path. So current is flown in the feedback path, the current is not entered into the input path. So it is VA equal to VB equal to V for the virtual ground concept. Is it clear to everyone? Due to the virtual ground concept, these two node potential are same. So for that case, again apply the KCL at node B. Again apply the KCL at node B. That is, so it is V, potential is V. So V minus V1 by R1 plus V minus V2 by R2 plus V minus V3 by R3, that is equal to 0. So from here, you evaluate the value of V. That V is now substituted in the equation 1. Then we get the final required output. So what is the value of V? Find out the value of V. Everyone are requested, please find out the value of V. So in here we can find out the value of V as V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3 equal to V1 by R1 plus V2 by R2 plus V3 by R3. So from here we can find out the V 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, that is equal to V1 by R1 plus V2 by R2 plus V3 by R3. So V equal to V1 by R1 plus V2 by R2 plus V3 by R3 divided by 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So this is the value, and this value is now substituted in here. So for that case, final result tilde as, so substitute the value from 2 to 1, we get V naught equal to 1 plus Rf by Ri into this one, Vi by Ri plus V2 by R2 plus V3 by R3 divided by 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So this is the required output for the non-inverting amplifier circuit, non-inverting summing amplifier circuit or adder amplifier circuit. So is it clear to all of you? This one up to this level is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So next we will introduce about the voltage subtractor. So it is the addition operation we have performed. In here we apply the addition operation. So now we introduce about the voltage subtractor. So we have performed any type of numerical operation using this type of operational amplifier. So again we apply the voltage subtractor. This is a one type of differential amplifier we introduce over here. So this is a V1, this is the input voltage V2, this is R1, R2, again this is R1, R2. So can you find out the result of output? This node is A and this node is V. So find out the output voltage. What is the output voltage, required output voltage? Find out. What is the required output voltage? Let's consider over here. Hello. What is the required output voltage? I give you the hints, that is apply KCL at node A and apply KCL at node B. So node A voltage and node B voltage are same. So apply the voltage at node A and node B and find out the result of output. So these two potentials are same. So again we apply the virtual ground concept, that is VA equal to VB equal to V. So VA equal to VB equal to V, then it is the same node voltage and we also get the required output. It is for the virtual ground. It is considered as the virtually grounded. So it is considered as the virtually grounded. So then we consider the KCL, apply the KCL at node A. So it is voltage is considered as V minus V1 by R1 plus V minus V0 by R2, that is equal to 0. So apply the KCL at node A. I repeat again. So it is V minus Vi by R1 plus V minus V0 by R2, that is equal to 0. Then the network issue is there. Issue. So there is a network issue. Let's start the session again. So that is V minus Vi by R1 plus V minus V0 by R2, that is equal to 0 in here. Now we will find out the V from here. So for that case, if we introduce the V, that is V. So this is equation 1. So what is the V? V equal to, that is V by R1 sorry, V by R1 plus V by R2, that is equal to V naught by R2 plus V1 by R1. ঠিক আছে? Okay, V naught by R2 plus V1 by R1. So now we take common of V1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, that is equal to V naught by R2 plus V1 by R1. So from here we can write V equal to V naught by R2 plus V1 by R1 divided by 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Okay. So again, we apply KCL at B. So that is again V minus this point KCL. This point, if we apply the KCL at node B, that is V minus V2 by R1 plus V minus 0 by R2, that is equal to 0. So from here we can write V equal to V by R1 plus V by R2, that is equal to V by R1 plus V by R2, that is equal to V2 by R1. So this point equation 1 and this point equation 2, if we compare this equation 1, now equating equation 1 and 2, if we compare these two, that is V naught by R2 plus V1 by R1, that is equal to V2 by R1. Okay, so from here we can write V naught by R2, that is equal to V2 minus V1 by R1. V2 minus V1 by R1, that is V naught by R2. So from here we can write finally just observe V naught by R2 equal to V2 minus V1 by R1. This is equation 3. So finally we can write V naught equal to R2 by R1 into V2 minus V1. So this is the subtraction operation. So finally it is write down V naught by R2, that is equal to V2 minus V1 by R1. So V naught equal to R2 by R1 into V2 minus V1. So this is the final subtractor output. Final subtractor output. So this is the result of the subtraction. So this is considered as the subtraction operation is performed over here. So next is we consider the log amplifier. No, not log. It's a differentiator. If we consider the differentiator amplifier. So in here we will operate the differential operation. See, this is R and this is V naught. So again, we will apply the supply voltage VCC minus VE. So this is the supply voltage. And if we apply the differentiator amplifier, operational amplifier circuit in the node A, again we apply the KCL at node A. KCL at node A. If the voltage is denoted as V, so C into ddt of V minus Vi plus V minus V naught by R, that is equal to 0. C into ddt of V minus Vi plus V minus V naught equal to 0. Now if we consider V equal to 0 due to virtual ground concept, so that is C into ddt of minus Vi minus V naught by R, that is equal to 0. So V naught equal to minus RC ddt of input, V input. So it is considered as the inverting differentiator circuit. It is considered as the inverting. It is
सर ऑडियो नहीं आ रहा है।
Now it's clear. Hello. Hello. My audio is clear now. Okay. So it is the inverting differentiator circuit. So V naught equal to minus RC ddt of input. So now if you look at here, so output voltage and input voltage is the differentiation. Differentiator is applied, input voltage differs. So it is another mathematical operation. So by using this type of amplifier circuit, we can formulate any type of differential equation, differential mathematical model. We can analog computation you can define by using of this type of operational amplifier, by using the integrator, differentiator, voltage summer. So in here, if we apply the input side is a triangular input, if it is input VI, and output is in that case, so 10 minutes left. So this type of square wave output is there. So this is the output T. So this type of square wave output we can find out in the output stage. And if we consider the integrator, this is the differentiator circuit, first one. And if we define as the integrator, this is the differentiator output waveform. And 180-degree phase shift due to this minus. This is due to this negative sign, 180-degree phase shift. Phase shift with input to output. Okay. So now if we define the integrator, so this is the input, this is R, this is C, this is V naught, this is minus, this is a plus. So it is the integrated circuit. R is the series resistance capacitor. If feedback mein chala jayega. So if in the feedback side is a capacitor. So if we apply again the KCL at node A, so KCL at A, if the voltage at A, V, that is equal to VA. So what is the output result? What is the KCL equation you can define? Can you define the KCL equation? Hello? Hello? Can you define the equation KCL, Kirchhoff's current law? That is V minus VI by R, V minus VI by R plus C ddt of V minus V naught, that is equal to 0. What is the value of V? What is the value of V?
0.
0 due to
Grounding.
virtual ground. Please mention the virtual ground. I repeat again, the virtual ground, not the actual ground here. So it is 0. So minus VI by R plus minus C ddt of V naught, that is equal to 0. So from here we can write V naught equal to minus 1 by RC integral 0 to T V input dt. So by using this type of integrated circuit, we can define the integration output to input. Output to input side is the integration. Integrator, it is considered as the integrated circuit. Okay. Output to input as the integration in nature. So in here, if we apply a square waveform on the input side, if we apply a square waveform in the input side, so output is a triangular waveform in the inverting, and it is also the inverting integrator, because we apply, why it is called the inverting integrator? We apply the voltage in the terminal 2. When we apply the voltage in terminal 2, then it is considered as the inverting. If we apply the voltage at terminal 3, then it is considered as the non-inverting, because in here we apply the voltage at terminal 2. In that time it is inverted, input and output is inverted in nature. 180-degree phase shift hota hai na. So in terminal 3, if we apply the voltage, output to input same in phase, phase in same. That is no phase shift, zero phase shift is there if we apply that voltage 3. It's terminal 3, the input, if we apply the terminal 3, the input, pin number 3. So in that case, the output voltage is -1 by RC, integra 0 to T, V input dt. So this is the brief discussion of this class of operational amplifier. Next day, we will introduce about, suppose the FATE after the mid-semester exam. I repeat again the mid-semester exam, the syllabus, the energy band solids and properties of semiconductor and semiconductor junction diodes. These 3 chapters are included. Please note it down. For the mid-semester exam, the properties semiconductor, energy band in solids and semiconductor junction diode. These 3 chapters are included for your internal mid-sem. And remember and keep it in your mind, on the basis of the student performance, I shall evaluate the internal assessment for your mid-semester exam. Okay, on the basis of the student performance only. So please note it down. And tomorrow may be the study leave. Okay, from next Monday, we will the college may be study the mid-semester exam. Usually just communicate to me. So this class we will just end over here. Is there any doubt? You can raise your voice over here. Is there any doubt for this class? Any point? Because there is many times we have a disconnect your internet connection. Due to this time, this class is interrupted severally. So we have 4 minutes left. So is there any doubt? Hello? Okay. So let's we will take the next class for the junction filter back transistor for the next day. So till then, please prepare your mid-sem or internal assessment, and best of luck to all of you for your mid-semester examination. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you.